Morning guys, it is July 15th, 2023. This is I got a call from a guy. He says I worked for him doing some plumbing stuff. He's got a problem with his AC. He says the inside's running and the outside's not working. So I asked him if it was iced. He says the outside isn't working at all, so maybe it's something simple, hopefully. We're going over there and see if we can help out this cat. That time of year, you know, people don't want to be without the AC. It's hot out today. It's probably close to 90 today. Kind of hot for around this area. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. I don't know if he says I worked for him, so we'll find out when I get over there. We'll find out if I remember this guy. Maybe we can get it going for him. It's a Ganitrol. Capacitor. Wow. It's a capacitor. Oh, this thing's all fucking painted together. What the hell, guy? I don't hate to even turn this thing off. Wow. This thing's a disaster. The capacitor, I could hear it trying to start.
Yeah, it's a capacitor, yeah.
But this thing, I gotta shut the power off to it and it doesn't want to come out. Wow, this thing's all just flipping corroded in there. There it is. Huh? Flipping hot. I get this thing apart and fix it. Should be able to. Unbelievable, huh? Flipping crazy hot.
He's like a heating and air exchange guy.
He does smart buildings?
Yeah. He does like Moderna or Pfizer. He worked on those things. He's a certified, whatever they call him.
Certified blow bag.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. He's got to make sure that the temperature is right and that the heat comes out at the right time.
Oh yeah, like
circulation system.
Computer stuff.
Yeah, all of that.
Yeah.
And he wires them. He's an electrician by trade. So.
Wow. I mean, it's flipping hot. Can't even touch the machine.
Want to put some water on it?
No, I'll be alright. Sounds like a capacitor to me. Trying to stop.
Yeah. That's what I thought. See that our switch?
No, it's a capacitor. I can hear it trying to start. Guarantee it.
That's what my son said. He said the older they get, the more they blow.
It gets hot, yeah, that's what happens. They blow up. What the? I can even. Wow. He's gonna shut it off, but we gotta change this sucker. See it all? It's all puffy. What size is it? 35.5. You see it? That's a 35.5. She's all puffed out. You might get lucky on that. 35.5. I could smell something's cooked in there. Flipping hot out, Molly. Holy shit. Alright, we need a 35.5. I got them in here. Oh, that's a 55. Oh, that's a 35.5. That's the one we want right there. 35.5. That's the one. I'll probably need some strapping on it or something, Molly. Maybe some pull ties or something. I'll grab a couple of pull ties and strap it in there somehow. Maybe I can grab it from the other side. So flipping hot, I can't touch nothing.
Yeah, no kidding.
Really bad.
Your cat said Spring Street. Where's that?
Yeah, that's the brown. That's the fan. Something smells cooked in here. That's brown. And we got the yellow. It's the compressor. That's the 3. And then we got the 2 commons, which is the 4. There, come off. There. And the 2 commons. Man, you can't be without AC for long today, huh? Holy shit.
My buddy used to make these capacitors.
Huh?
Aerobox, my buddy used to make them.
Oh, really?
The telephone's got a capacitor in it. Did you know that?
Does it?
Yeah, the landline one.
The telephone?
Yep. That's what pushes a ring when a signal goes.
Should be able to get put something in there to hold it. Maybe. Oh. Oh, fucking hot out today. It's like, wow. Crazy.
83, 85 today.
It's just, all right, that's pretty good in there. And, let's have it so you can see it, and it should fire now. Wow. So flipping hot out. Can't even touch things.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Wow. Gonna be 150 degrees in the flipping. Oh, you know why? That thing is like all falling apart, that disconnect.
The box?
Yeah. Alright, go turn it on. Let's see if it fires.
I'll do it from here. I got the Nest.
Wow. Who talked you into that piece of shit?
What, that one?
The Nest.
The Nest? I don't know, it's worked for me.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Piss off all the mice. You got lucky. Fucking thing is like bacon. Like Kentucky Fried Chicken from hell here. Wow. Unbelievable. Metal's so hot I can't even touch it. Coming out nice and hot too. That's good. Nice and hot here, so the charger's gonna be good. It's already getting sweaty. Yeehaw. Oh yeah, it's coming out nice and toasty out of there. This is all sweaty, but good. See how it's all puffed? See how puffy? It's no good. It's a Ganitrol, 1972, still running. Try it out with the new equipment. Shit lasts 10 years and it starts flipping, leaking all over the place.
I put water on the fence.
What happens, it gets hot and them things just... Shit, yeah. Alright, let me get you a slip. Thing's running.